Hi guys, it's Miss Ashley. Can't you tell? My girls gave me an early Mother's Day gift. Gave me a makeover. So if you don't know what to get your mom, you can always give her a makeover. Anyway, today we've got a fun craft for you to do. If you haven't got your mom anything for Mother's Day, we've got a fun craft that's just for her. Hi guys! So for today's craft, I'm going to be using a sheet of black paper or cardstock, whatever you have handy. I'm going to be using scissors and 2 sheets of contact paper. I just picked this up at Walmart. And I'm going to trim some tissue paper into long strands. I've got a few different colors to work with today. The next step is to fold the black paper in half. Now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to make a border for my picture. So I'm trimming the page so that we just have the rectangle outline. And we can use the interior for the letters. Now I'm gonna cut out 2 M's. Now you could trace the M's or draw them onto your page or kind of eyeball it like I've done. But we are gonna have 1 M at the top and another M at the bottom. The next shape I'm going to do is a heart instead of an O. So I'm going to make the heart same way I did in my other video with just doing the outline. Now I'm going to take my contact paper and put my frame with my letters on top of the sheet. And the heart in the middle for the O. Yay, it's for Mom! What a fun Mother's Day craft. So I'm going to actually put the strips a little bit in a pattern this time. I'm making it look kind of like a plaid background. So I'm going to just keep putting the strips over top and make sure that no white is showing through. I've got a few different colors. And I'm keeping with the vertical and horizontal pattern. Now I can add my last few strips. And then I'll be ready to flip it over. Now that it's all covered, I can actually add my second piece of contact paper. This will just keep everything in place. Now I flip it over. Whoa, looks pretty cool with all the colors. I'm just going to take my scissors and trim around the edges where the paper's gone past the border. Once I've done that, I can put it on my window. I had fun, guys. See you next time. Bye.